Boss J!
So if you don't know by now, then you should probably get familiar. Just give her, you got no hope, not no sliver. All day I keep drinking.
Alisin ko na nga. Patingin nga. Wait lang, boss. Ay, ang cute! Cute nga. Ay, angat. Ngayon mo na ako i-chat. Wait. Bakit ako sasayaw? Hello, bumbaklat. Ayaw. Basher! Basher, ang ganda ng OOTD ko ngayon. Wala ka namang chat eh. Visit ka. Wala naman. Fuck you, wala. Hi, Shish. Wala. Pinagloloko mo ba ako? Visit ka. Wala! Kailangan yung flower ko kasala.
So if you don't know by now, then you should probably get familiar. So if you don't know by now, then you should probably get familiar.
Hindi maganda nakatanggap ng bulaklak.
So if you don't know
Ay, hari kong tiya.
probably get familiar. You're not built like that, homie.
Papa Dax, kilala mo ako talaga. Wala kang chat, te. Ano ba? Ipilit ba natin ang gusto mo? Hello, lasing gabi-gabi. Meron nga. Saan ka ba nag-chat? Facebook ko or sa what? Hi, Dat. Hi, Yuzan. Wala naman eh. Joaquin. Hi, Joaquin. Hi, Olaf. Pati sa message request, wala rin. Diyos ko ka. Fuck you. Hi, Benna. Ang lamig sa Baguio, grabe. Anak ako ng teacher mo ng grade 5. Sino bang teacher ko ng grade 5 ako? Ah! Si Ma'am Je! Power nap lang ako katapos ko lang mag-paperwork. Go, Basher! Basher, tigil mo na yung pagtatrabaho mo. Manood ka na ng live ko lagi. Ah! Alam ko na! Bakit di ko nakikita yung chat mo? Natanga pa nga. Okay. Bakit ka nandito? Lakay Michael, hello. Hi, Basilio. Oo, nakita ko na. Armpit! Hi, Armpit. It's still my birthday today. Ano ba? Dami nag-ano sa akin ng PK. Hi, Armpit. How are you? I'm fine. Kamusta? Oy, birthday ko kahapon. Sinaing, hello. Hi, FSH. Belated. Thank you. Hoy, huwag mo akong tawanan dyan. Birthday ko kahapon. Bagsakan mo ko dito. Oo. Mga 30 ka? 22 pa lang naman. Asa yung main mo? Ibasok mo yung main account mo. Wow. Dahil 20 na ako tuloy. Dahil 22 na ako, bigyan mo ko ng 22,000. Nakamute. Ang uwi na lang ako ng Pinas. Hi! Ano daw? Huwag kang magpanggap dyan. Hi, Henry! Ulo Uno. Hello. Hi, Echo. Thank you, Michael. Hindi pa nga nakakauwi eh. Malapit na mag-Pasko ah. Hindi kayo uwi. Thank you, Michael. Alam ko na yan. Loyal ako. Huwag mo na akong bagsakan yan.
Fuck, I'm real like that. Roll up, then I will like that. I just keep it real like that. I'm taking shit
Hi,
so
Lucky.
chill like that. When I
Hi,
get that look in
Sina.
my eye,
Hi,
can't
Coffee.
stop me, don't even try.
Sinain
Text
ko
me
na
soon as I go reply. Next up, you'll be waving her by. Then she's gone.
Alam ko naman bahay mo.
She's smart as hell, that's honors. Don't sleep because it's too easy. I'm out here robbing honors, yeah.
Bash. Ano yan?
I'm signing moves with Sharpie.
Wala na ako doon. Hindi na ako doon nakatira, akala mo. Era. Hindi na ako doon nakatira. Oo, iba na. Tanong ko, wala na. Hindi na kami nakikita ni Mama. Hi, Ber. Hi, Kira. Hi, Meiko. Day sa Baguio. Saan ka? Saan ka sa Baguio? Gusto mo puntahan kita? Monday? Oo, Monday ngayon. Hi, George. Hi, love. Ayun. Anong ayun? Ay, di ko napansin ulit! Di mo... Alis na nga ako. Sige, bye-bye. Thank you! Dami ko lang nakikita nga taga sa atin dito. Meron ba? Wala! Walang taga dito sa atin. Duh! Hi, hello! You only live once. Hello! Matagal alas. Ganun pala dapat. Hello, 13.5. Sa Bigo. Akala ko dito sa live ko eh. Hi, have Abby. Follow back kaya no, ate. Ayoko. Ay, ngay 31. Para saan yung 31? Ay, alo. Send ko mga pic mo nung bata ka, bala. Sige, ipagkakalat ko dito na binasted kita. Ay, mali. Sorry. Low? Hi, Boss J. Hi, Boss. Mali. Sorry. Alis na nga ako. Sige, bye-bye. Hi, Lucky. Thank you, sir. In love with somebody I never like that. Hi, Lucky. Hi, Book na. Hello, kamusta? Good sound. Yeah. Hi, baby calls. Hi, Bam. Hi, Bam. Bakit? Hi, baby. Hi. Kamusta? Hi, baby Kuz. Good evening. So beautiful. Alam mo, mas maganda ako kapag may flower ako. Wala na. Dry na siya. Papakita ko. Oy, picture mo to, Cosmic. As mo si Madam. Pagyari ng live. Hi, Kyo. Bugs. Hi, Tulala. Okay lang naman lagi yan. Hoy, grabe ka, head. Naglaro ako kanina, talo. Thank you, ay bye. Kasi lang lagi wala. Judgmental. Busy na yan lagi sa kota. Ayaw nyo kasi ako pakutahin para maka-ML na ta. Alam mo si Mr. Doss.
Money out of sight, close fights. Put up or shut up. Huh? Mythic Grit. RGF Productions.
Hi, Marvin. Ganyan talagang buhay, parang weather lang. Minsan meron, minsan wala. Happy birthday, Day. Thank you. Buong August, birthday ko.
I woke up Chris Breezy. Oh my God, I'm the man. I'm so fly and I can dance. There's tattoos on my neck. I just FaceTime Kanye. I told him I'm his biggest fan, yeah. Got all these hoes in my DM. Hold up. Holy shit, I got a kid. Oh, I can sing so well. Wonder if I can sit in word. Wait, can I really sit in word? My nigga, what up, my nigga? Big ups, my nigga.
I praise his soul.
I woke up with Chris Brown's body. So how this shit turned into Freaky Friday. But we got no choice but to turn this bitch sideways. I can't believe that it's Freaky Friday. Yeah, it's Freaky Friday. I'm in Chris Brown's body. I drive this Ferrari.
Little well.
I'm like skin black.
I woke up and I'm Lil Dicky. This shit is real weak. How's Dick stand
Uy,
first
kanina
up
ka
on
pa
the
dito,
ball like a fucking
Queen
down the street and
Nance.
ain't nobody
Hi,
know
Queen
my name.
Nance.
Ain't no paparazzi flashing pictures. This
Okay
is
ka
great.
lang? Are you
Ain't
okay
nobody judging
there?
'cause I'm black or my controversial past.
Come,
I'ma go and see a
Queen.
movie and relax. Hey, I'm a blood, but I can finally wear blue. Why's his mama calling all the time? Leave me the fuck alone, bitch. Wait, if I'm in Diggy body, Breezy is who? Hope my daughter's in school. Fuck, if I was Chris Brown, where would I be? What would I do?
I woke up in Chris Brown's body. So how this shit turned into Freaky Friday. But we got no choice but to turn this bitch sideways. I can't believe that it's Freaky Friday. It's Freaky Friday. I'm in Chris Brown's body. I look at myself, think with the light. It's my dream day.
If I was little Biggie in my body, where would I be? I'm trying to find myself like an introspective.
Tanggalin ko na nga ito. Hindi mo pinapansin.
Snap a flick of my jump.
My dick is trending on Twitter. Fuck. Now I'm at the club. I took my way to getting in. I look up in the VIP. My goodness, there I am. I signal to him, let me in, but he won't let me in.
I don't know who that is.
Who the fuck you think he is? Took a glass bottle, shatter it on the bouncer's head. Welcome to that motherfucker.
Think it through for a sec. If you hurt me, then you only hurt yourself.
But wait, I love myself.
That was the key, now it's what you I woke up in Chris.
Uy, thank you. Thank you for the top.
So how this
Yes,
shit turned
thank
into
you.
Freaky Friday. But we got no
Baby
choice
Cool, Marvin,
sideways.
Buknoy, are you okay there, guys?
It's Freaky Friday.
ID number 1606
In Ed Sheeran's body.
from Queen Mas. Are you
It's
okay
where
there?
it's cool and being Chris Brown was.
What the fuck again? I'm DJ Khaled. Why am I yelling?
Kendall Jenner, I got a vagina. I'm gonna explore that right now. Holy shit, I got a vagina. I'm gonna learn. I'm gonna understand the inner workings of a woman.
Mariana, breezy. Yo, chick, nothing on that beat. If your chick come close to me, she ain't going home when she supposed to pay. I'm getting money like I'm supposed to pay. I'm getting money like I'm supposed to pay. Oh, all my niggas close to me, and all the mother niggas where they supposed to pay. Oh, the house go for me. Got your chicks in the pit like post for me. Oh, that's how I supposed to pay. Yeah, that's how I supposed to pay. Yeah, that's how I supposed to pay. Everything look like it's supposed to be. Pull up to the club and it go up. Make your girl fall in love when I show up. It's not my fault, she wanna know me. She told me it was just a hummer. She came down like she knew me. Lit it up like a groupie. And that's
Grabe, ang bagal mag-charge yung phone ko kapag ginagamit ng naka-charge. Hi, Ivan.
But I had to scream, oh. Yo, girl, what's supposed to text me? You wanna know how I know what I know? If your chick come close to me, she ain't going home when she supposed to pay. Getting money like I'm supposed to pay.
Hi, Sniper Shoot.
Oh, all my niggas close to me, and all the mother niggas when they supposed to pay.
Bye-bye, Rex. Alis ka na. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Like post to me. Oh, that's how I'm supposed to pay. That's how I'm supposed to pay. That's how I'm supposed to pay. Everything good like it's supposed to pay.
Good night. Thank you, Let. Good night.
Smoking loud, I'm about to roll up. She ain't never got high like this with a guy like this. When she pop it, tell her hold up. Better believe she gon' leave with a real nigga. I take her down, can't put it down like I do. I get the bustin', no discussion, gotta deal with. Team, I swing, where about you? Does she roll? Yeah, yeah. When I hit it, I'ma kill it, I'ma kill it. Yeah, does she roll? You wanna know how I know what I know?
If you do come close to me, he gon' wanna ride off and it goes for me. I might let your boy show for me, but he gotta eat the booty like groceries. But he gotta get rid of these toes for me. I might have to take a selling his soul for me. Ooh, that's how it's supposed to be. If he wants me to,
Hi, what the
it's supposed to be.
fuck?
Ooh, that's how it's supposed to be. Ooh, that's how it's supposed to be. Ooh, that's how it's supposed to be. Everything good like it's supposed to be.
Your chick come close to me. She ain't going home when she supposed to pay. Getting money like I'm supposed to pay.
Cute kasi yung shipment. Ayoko. Alam ko. Hi, Chicago. Hi, girl.